Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here and welcome to my little man cave. Yes, in this video I'm going to announce the winners of 4 FPV drones giveaway contests. Thank you very much to a few thousand of people who actively took part in this 4 FPV drones giveaway contest. From those few thousand of people who actively took part in this contest, I have chosen 8 winners who are going to compete through a voting poll, and we will decide who is going to win the Beta FPV toothpick FPV racing drone and an FPV VTOL. So first off, go ahead, check out the link in video description. It will take you straight towards the poll where you can vote for 2 people who were able to answer 3 questions correctly, and they are competing to win the Beta FPV toothpick FPV racing drone. And also in the same poll, you'll be able to vote for 6 people who answered 2 questions correctly, and they are competing to win the FPV VTOL drone. Once again, link to poll is in video description. Now let me tell you who are the 2 people who answered 3 questions correctly and 6 who answered 2 questions correctly. So here comes the names. Now 2 people who answered 3 questions correctly are Mr. John from Sacramento, CA, USA, and Time Smith from Ramford, England, UK. These 2 people answered 3 questions correctly, and they're competing through this voting. The link is in video description once again, to win the Beta FPV toothpick FPV racing drone. Now, the remaining 6 people who are competing through voting to win the FPV VTOL drone are Mr. Pritchard from Malaysia, Mr. Colon from France, Mr. Igor from Moldova, Mr. Marcus from Philippines, and 2 people from Sudan, Ahmad Muhammad Alamin and Muhammad Azhari. So people, go ahead and check out the link in the video description once again. It will take you straight towards the poll where you can vote for these people. And if these people are watching this video, please, it's time to invite your friends to vote for you. And at the end of the dates for the voting poll, I will announce the final winner on my social media, and they will receive the said prizes. Now comes the important part. Why only 2 drones to give away rather than 4? So let me explain it to all of you. If you look at the terms and conditions of this FPV drones giveaway contest, they clearly explained, very clearly explained, that the winners will be selected only and only if someone answers all 4 questions correctly, because the giveaway contest says hunt for answer. Those who answered all 4 questions correctly are going to be the winner. In case nobody answered all 4 questions correctly, the giveaway contest will extend the dates and or simply switch to milestone, set milestone contest. However, the funniest fact is that a few thousand of those people who took part in this contest, though rather very actively, and once again I say thank you very much for their active efforts, those few thousand of people did not even bother to read the terms and conditions, what was the contest about, and what they should actually do to win the contest. Few who actually bothered to read what the questions were, their answers were very funny, like N by A, I don't know, and thank you very much. Now those were the answers to those questions. I mean, hey, come on. The contest clearly stated that you have to watch 4 videos to find answers to those 4 questions. And I also had a complete landing page that actually described all the links and even gave you hints where to find the answers, in which videos to find the answers. Anyway, I'm happy for these 8 lucky people who focused and did find 3 and 2 right answers out of those videos. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget there is another big RC drones giveaway contest going on where DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo is also on the giveaway list. Check out the link again in video description. There's another link that will take you to a landing page of milestone giveaway. Thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you very much once again for supporting my work. Don't forget to subscribe to my current AliShanMao channel and gaming channels, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming on all of my channels for all of you to watch. Now, once again, link is in video description for the voting, so help us vote and pick the winners.